Meet Emma and Madison. Madison lives with a scarce mindset. She thinks there's never enough money. She gives all her attention to saving every penny and she doesn't live her best life. This is Emma. She has a growth mindset and she lives her best life. She focuses on making more money rather than saving every penny.
Do you want to learn how to become an Emma and not a Madison? MasterMind ROSHAN can do this for you.
MasterMind ROSHAN is a renowned YouTuber with over 70,000 subscribers and he very often shows up on television. He talks all things finance and will guide you on topics like money saving, side hustles to make extra income, stock investment because he's a certified investment advisor of the Colombo Stock Exchange. The Gold Package will educate you in managing personal finance, developing new passive income, stock market investing, gold investing, real estate, entrepreneurship, and on developing your own online business.
And the Platinum package comes with an added advantage, which is a one-to-one personal coaching session with the mastermind himself. Would you say no to growing your income 10 times more than you currently do? So make sure you study a bit about who this mastermind is and how this course will help you learn things you never knew of.